Hello friends, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Today I'll present you a very interesting keyboard, which is also from the series for people who are doing video editing, programming and computer science. People who spend a lot of time in front of their computers. They need comfort, they need elegancy, especially if you're in office environment. That's why we are here with Logitech Craft, one amazing low profile keyboard which gives you unlimited opportunities for personalization and also doing your favorite activities and productivities on your computer. Let's see it. That's the box of the keyboard. It's from hard material. It's not like typical keyboard box that it can get damaged easily. In the box is the keyboard and quick guide. But let's get to the point. That's the keyboard. Here in the box we have our quick guide and our charging cable plus the USB adapter that connects it with the computer. The keyboard is extremely classical and elegant. It's low profile, it's heavy, it's made from aluminum and the buttons are so quiet and beautiful. The main thing that this keyboard is useful is that you can use it with Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro and different kind of programs to make your workflow even better. The specialty about it is that it's wireless. It can be connected to different kind of computers and it's connected to Bluetooth and USB 2.4 GHz. You can personalize the keyboard through Logitech's options software. It has fast charging with USB Type-C. And one more specialty is this knob here. Made specially for video editing, to scroll on your timeline, to increase or decrease the text size and also to increase volume. You can click it also. I would recommend you to use this keyboard with the MX Logitech mouse, MX Master 3 Logitech mouse for optimal results. It would be nice. And one more thing I want to show you before we recap it is the illumination during nighttime. This was the keyboard. As you see, it's pretty nice to type on it. It's a convenient keyboard. I don't know how would it react on gaming, but it's not gaming keyboard. Obviously, I said it's more like for office environment. But if you want to see something like this, you may tell me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
if you want to purchase this keyboard and you're living in Bulgaria, you can check the link in the description.